Hi, Gel Press friends. Marjolaine here with an easy art journal page with faith impressions. So today I'm just using some distress ink, and I'm not necessarily loving the colors that I chose, but I wanted the words on my journal page to show through the ink, so it's a pastel color kind of day for me, which is not my favorite, but it worked really well with the words peeking through. So I am using the border plate from the Faith Impression Kit, and I'm just applying the ink directly onto it. And then I'm rolling it with a 4-inch economy brayer. And I highly recommend making sure that your gel press plate is firmly attached to your acrylic block, otherwise it can fall onto your page and make a mark that you didn't want. But that's okay, it just adds another layer. So I'm just going to use different colors to add the ink all the way down the page. So now I'm creating a border for the top and bottoms of my pages, and I'm just using a nice stamp to add that texture. And then I'm going to use the same stamp, and I'm going to go over all the ink with a second layer. And now to make my letters pop, I'm just going to use some watercolor paint and just paint them in. So today I'm working in the book 21 Days to Breakthrough, a prayer plan for battle, which is an art and prayer journal. So I'm on day 14, and it's based on the passage in 2 Chronicles 20:22 that says, when they began singing and praising, the Lord set ambushes against the sons of Ammon, Moab, and Mount Seir, who had come against Judah, so they were struck down in defeat. And the second verse is from Psalm 149, verse 6, which says, may the praise of God be in their mouth and a double-edged sword in their hands. So basically this is all about how praise is a weapon against the enemy. In the 2 Chronicles 20 chapter, God used the praises of his people to defeat the enemy, and the enemy got really confused by the praise, and they began to fight against themselves, and that's how they won the battle. So here I'm using the cross demi plate from the Faith Impression kit, and I'm adding that same texture as I did before and some brown ink and adding some crosses to my pages. And now I'm just journaling, so I'm adding the 2 Bible verses that I read to you already, and then I added a declaration that says, my praise and worship to God confuses and destroys the enemy. And then I added a prayer, Lord God, thank you that you are my defender and you are fighting this battle for me. Justice and vindication come from you, and because of Jesus, I have the victory. And then I added one last comment that says, praise is a powerful weapon of warfare. And of course I'm going to finish the page with a paint splatter because that's what I love to do. So I hope you enjoyed this video and that you'll click the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the Gel Press channel so you never miss any of the videos. And thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.